Hey guys, this is Jeff and Jeremy with Dirty Old Cars and Unique Classic Cars. Thanks to you, we're going to be back on air starting April 22nd at 10 a.m. Central Time with the History Channel.
We are so stoked to be back on, and now you guys are going to be able to see all your favorite characters again, from Reds, from Visual Perfection, and of course the crew right here at Unique Classic Cars here in Mankato, Minnesota. So don't forget to tune in April 22nd, 10 a.m. Central to see all your favorite guys back in action. Now, the one thing we got to remember is if this thing's coming back on the air, we need to go get some more cars.
We got to start chasing.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Dirt, mold, and decay. Across America, thousands of relics are trapped under layers of muck. Now, 3 of the best car detailing teams in the country are taking on the grind to get these cars back on the road. In just 2 days, they'll turn these piles of trash,
Dead rat.
into stacks of cash.
It's like a different car.
This is Dirty Old Cars.
Detail and visual perfection.
Visual Perfection! Phil will be there, of course, as well. Apparently we got a goose flying by, but probably going to have more cars to clean if they stop, right?
Oh yeah.